API's career exploration programs are designed to help students connect international learning with real-world career pathways. Through short-term global experiences, students engage directly with professionals, organizations, and industries in the host location, while developing the skills needed for today's global workforce. These programs combine immersive travel, institutional access, and structured professional development to help students explore potential careers while gaining a global perspective. One example of this model is Journalism in Paris, Discovering Europe's Centers of Power, a 4-week program that places students inside the institutions shaping global policy, security, and international media narratives. Using a city-as-classroom approach, students explore Europe's political and economic institutions through direct engagement with policymakers, analysts, and industry experts. Program visits include the European Parliament in Strasbourg, NATO headquarters in Brussels, Airbus in Toulouse, the International Criminal Court in The Hague, and the French National Assembly in Paris. Through expert lectures and institutional briefings, students gain firsthand insight into the global issues journalists must interpret and communicate to international audiences. A key component of the program is the transatlantic debates, where participants engage in structured discussions with European students about current global challenges, such as climate policy, migration, and international security. The program is designed to encourage students to analyze complex issues from multiple perspectives while strengthening future-ready skills like intercultural communication and critical thinking. API career exploration programs help students translate immersive global experiences into meaningful academic and professional outcomes.